G'day YouTube, it's Michael Raw from Raw Apps here yet again with another app review. I'm trying to give you daily app reviews on Raw Apps. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this content, and actually please share with your friends. So today I'm going to be doing something very close to my heart, which is Electroneum. Now the Electroneum app is linked to Electroneum, which is sitting at around 110 on the cryptocurrency top 100, or it's 110 out of the ranking as far as ranking goes. So this cryptocurrency is around just over 6 months old, and it is, in my own personal opinion, a paradigm shift in the way that we will be doing business in the future, and as a medium of exchange for goods and services. Now, for those of you who are cryptocurrency skeptics, I honestly believe that you won't be skeptical in the near future, because I believe cryptocurrency is here to stay, and the big banks and the machine, or the man, is actually very scared of cryptocurrency because it takes away that middleman, or that opportunity to actually control the masses. And cryptocurrency is a form of pure peer-to-peer or person-to-person exchange, a little bit like bartering, and taking away the banks, and they don't like it, so they're going to put a lot of negative media out there about cryptocurrency. Like any new technology, there's going to be a lot of problems to start off with, a lot of teething problems, a lot of misconceptions, a lot of things that need to be worked out. But I honestly believe that we are sitting at the precipice of a huge paradigm shift in the way we do business in the world, and people are slowly starting to wake up to the fact, and we're going to be getting a huge injection of capital into the cryptocurrency market, in the near future, from big organizations, corporations, etc., because they're going to be on board. Anyway, I'm not as all of the I've seen a lot of cryptocurrency videos, and as all of them say, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. Listen to it if you want, agree with it or disagree with it. I really honestly don't care, but this is what I truly believe. So if I'm proven wrong, I don't really care. If I'm proven right, I don't care. But that's the way we're headed. Anyway, Electroneum. So the Electroneum app is totally unique in the marketplace. It is an app where you can actually get, wait for it, free cryptocurrency. Now, Electroneum is probably, as far as ethics go, and as far as having a moral intent behind it, is actually extremely clever and viable and unique. And I personally have invested in Electroneum, and just like a lot of people, it currently has 500,000 downloads for the app, but it's got nearly as we speak, 1.9 million users or user accounts. So it's actually close to, or if not the biggest cryptocurrency by user numbers. So it's not something to be scoffed at or sneezed at or ignored anymore. I believe that Electroneum is here to stay. I believe that they have done what they have said on the tin, and they have stuck to their principles. So I'm probably having a bit of a rant here because I'm a little bit passionate about Electroneum, and I hope you will be too if you do a bit of research into it. So look, it's sitting at 110 ranking, but it's probably #1 ranking as far as potential and what we'll be seeing in the future. So Richard Els and the team are doing an amazing job. I think you can say what you like about them. If you guys know about Electroneum, there's been a lot of people saying that they're a fraud and all that sort of stuff, but they have actually done exactly what they have said they have done, said they were going to do, sorry, and stuck to their business plan. They've actually put a hell of a lot of new deals on the table, and they're, I believe, a very ethical company and trying to do the right thing. Of course, it's a big, how can I put it, speculative market and a really unique idea. So there's going to be problems along the way. There's going to be people that doubt it, but I believe with the social sharing potential of this, the viral nature of what they're doing, where you can actually get a small amount of free cryptocurrency just by downloading the app, and actually yeah, that's going to be really good. Now, the big thing for them, it's going to be into emerging markets or third world, I suppose you could say, because I'm from a first world country, a third world country, or countries that have very limited banking opportunities, and countries that may be considered poor in the developing world, in the developed world, sorry, but they're a developing market. So I think the ethics behind this is fantastic, and it's going to be giving a lot of power to a lot of people who are actually a lot more, I would say, I'm in a much more fortunate position than those people, and I really appreciate the fact that they will be able to exchange goods and services in a fair and equitable way to actually provide wealth and prosperity for their families. So good on you, Electronium. So that's enough of my little rant. Sorry about that. But the app itself, it's got overall four-star review, 16,000 reviews, 500,000 downloads, and I'd have to say, as far as a cryptocurrency, that's pretty huge numbers. I'm going to open it up now. So really, this is going to be a quick review because it's only a simple app, and but the whole genius behind this is actually you can actually have a mining experience on your mobile phone. Now, it's not actually cryptocurrency mining. If you've looked into cryptocurrency mining, you need a lot of computer power and big, machinery. Well, machinery. When I say machinery, you need a lot of computer power, like I said. But you can actually mine on your mobile phone and have a mining experience. So to my knowledge, and this is only from what I've learned, is that Electronium have done a lot of pre-mining of their coins. So they've got 20 billion coins. Now, a lot of people have said that that's too many coins to provide a value to the coin. However, given that the fact that the way that they've designed the coin means that there is actually going to be a lot of value in the coin. Now, currently, when I invested in it, I was an ICO investor, or initial coin offering investor, and so I got it for 1 cent per Electronium. Now, a lot of cryptocurrencies out there are going for $1 or more. Not all of them, but most of them, some of them. So I believe that was one of the big marketing strategies for Electronium, is actually provide a very cheap entry level into cryptocurrencies. That's why it's got such a huge social following and such a big fan base who believe in it and who really want it to succeed. And when the will is there, it will. So, sorry, that wasn't a very good quote, but anyway, you know what I mean. So I'm going to jump right in, and I've already mined a little bit. I've mined a fair bit, but you can mine around about, depending on your hash power or your hash rate or your mobile phone power, around about 10 Electronium per day. Now, currently it's sitting at around 1.2 cents, or just over 1 cent. However, I believe that's a good thing for a lot of people, because they can now invest into Electronium and see the huge rise that's going to happen. And I know it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen or predict it. I know it's going to happen. When, I don't know, but it definitely will in the future. And I think it's one to hold on to long term. It's not a short term hold. And it's a project that you have to believe in and be invested in. So stick with it. So it's not a get rich quick scheme by any stretch of the imagination. So about 10 ETN a day, you're looking at a very small profit at the moment, but it's going to be hitting $1 or more. If I'm hoping for $100, yeah, US. But we're looking at, I honestly believe, realistically around $1 in the future or more, which means around a $10 per day average income for those people mining. Which means in a lot of developing nations is enough to feed the family and do some good things. So I believe it will be an extremely valuable thing to have. So it's gonna be a good thing. So we've got the miner status here. You can look at the miner status, the current state of the mobile miner. You've got really clean graphics, really nice graphics, good user interface, easy to understand. Your hash rate is dependent on your mobile phone, but I think most people are getting around 30 hash rate per second, I think it is, isn't it? Look, I've got to tell you, I'm not a cryptocurrency expert, but I know enough to be dangerous. So pending balance is 6 ETN, and I'll probably mine the rest of that tonight. So in around a 24-hour period, you're getting around 10 ETN. So if you have no cryptocurrency, it's the perfect app for you because it's free to download, free to get cryptocurrency, and you can say that you are a cryptocurrency investor. So it's really good. There's around 127,000 miners at the moment, but again, we're looking at around 2 million active users, which is huge for cryptocurrency. I'm actually not going to go to my wallet because I don't want to sort of block anything out, and I don't want to really show people how much I've got. So I do apologize about that, but in the wallet you can actually see that it actually there's been a few updates in the wallet, and you can actually have a look at how much is being deposited and where it's up to in the blockchain. So if you're new to crypto, look up blockchain, look up cryptocurrency. There's a couple of good books out there and quite a few good videos you can watch to get you introduced to blockchain and crypto. Blockchain is just one application. I mean, cryptocurrency is just one application for blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is really the guts of, or the meat, or the value inside this whole thing. So blockchain will be developed for multiple industries and already is being looked at. So for privacy and those sorts of things, security. You look at, it's giving you the value at the moment, it's just over 1 cent. Looking at the rank, or 107, I think it was 110 on crypto. I can't remember the website name now. But anyway, circulation is 7 billion at the moment, market cap 89 million. Is that 89 million? Yeah. So, yeah, it's slowly going. It went up to around 20 cents. So people have made huge amounts of money on this, and then have the opportunity to rebuy into it. So it's an amazing opportunity for those people who went in on the ICO. So they're cheering. I'm just a holder. I'm going to hold for long term. I'm not going to sell any. I'm just going to keep slowly accumulating. Maybe, hopefully, if I've got any spare cash lying around, which is not much lately, but I'll definitely invest. And just other settings in here. You've got your referral program. I'll probably put my referral link on the YouTube link, so please link to that. And you'll be giving me a little bit of ETN, so I appreciate that, but you'll also be learning a bit more about it. So there's been a few versions of this app. So currently, when all the little blue things are going, you know you're mining, and when it's off, when there's nothing, you're not mining. So just remember that. There were a few teething issues with this app when it first came out. It was a little bit unstable. The miner kept on dropping out, but it's pretty, I've found it extremely stable on my Samsung Galaxy. Yeah, so definitely one to check out. I'd recommend getting interested in a cryptocurrency if you want to invest in a little bit of money. I think it's a highly speculative market, so be prepared to lose it. So it's just like the share market, you know. So, the gains, I believe, are extremely, there's a huge potential for it. So anyway, so please let me know your comments about the ELECTRONEUM app. Let me know if you've got it. So let me know if you know anything about crypto. I'd be interested to hear. And please keep an eye out for my next review. I'll be probably doing a game next time, but I just thought this is extremely a valuable one for you guys to have a look at. So please subscribe and share with your friends. Till next time, thank you.